Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to unbox or unwrap this package that I just got this afternoon from Lazada. So I'm just a recent K-pop fan, so I'm really excited to receive this because this is my first K-pop item purchase. So let's check out what's inside of the package. Okay, let's take out our cutter and then let's open it up. I have to be careful because I might action item. And my cutter is not working because it's old. So wow! So it's covered with bubble wrap. Okay, it's neatly covered with this bubble wrap. And now I'm going to remove the bubble wrap. It's a bit thick, so I'm excited because this album has one of my favorite Twice songs. Ayan, malapit na. Ayan natin. Okay, yun. It's here. This is the album. It's the C version, the brown one. It's their 8-minute album. Yung single nila dito na Feel Special. So, si Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Daeyeon, Chaeyoung, Chuyoung. Oh, umalis ka dyan. So, open na natin ng dahan-dahan. Pusa. Okay. I hope I get the Mina CD because Mina is my bias. Or Daeyeon. Daeyeon, it would be nice if it's Mina and Daeyeon's cover. So let's open it. Ah! Okay, so it's Sana. I'll take it. I like Sana too, so it's fine. Still happy. So they have this thing. I don't know what it's called. So it has the description of the whole album. It has Feel Special, Rainbow, Get Loud, Trick It, Love Foolish, 2129 Breakthrough, Korean version. Kasi they also released their Japanese version for that song. Okay. And this photo cards. See? It's nice. Shiny ones. It's Nayeon. Ah! It's gold! At the back. Okay, that's Nayeon. Sana. Momo. Daeyeon. One of my biases. And Nayeon. And of course, Mina. So, those are the photo cards. And then it has a booklet. See, it's really nice. It's a nice book, photo book. Everyone's in it. Nice photos. Actually, photos that they did during music video shoot. Jonghyun, Dahan-dahan daw sa pagbuksan. Okay, sana. Sana. No! May nagko-comment sa sa likod. Sana. Sana. Gio. Ang gaganda nila. And Mina. Mina, my favorite. Dayon. Another favorite. So cute. Cheong. Okay. So, the last member is, it's a bit damaged on this part, so always careful while going through the pages. Well, not really damaged, but it has this, it shows a bit of tear. So there, that's the jewels. So at the back, there's gold like print. It's nice. Has this. Okay, I'm very happy because I got a really nice version. I got the photo cards. Okay. That's it. That's the unboxing of Feel Special version 3 album. So please, oh my god, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And I'll be giving away toy stuff in the future. Maybe one of these albums. So don't forget to subscribe.